Hi, Vanessa here, a project manager mama working from home. Working from home is an incredible opportunity to spend more quality time with your little ones. Today, I am sharing a few tips on how to make the most of it. Start the day by sharing breakfast and the morning routine with your children. This sets a positive tone for the day and opens the door for meaningful conversations. Second, greet your kids when they come home from school. Be there to help with homework or join in after school activities. It shows them you're interested and invested in their daily lives. Third, make it a habit to have meals together as often as possible. Lunchtime is perfect for catching up, sharing stories, and enjoying each other's company. Remember, it's these small moments that create lasting memories and stronger bonds with your kids. Let's make the most of our time at home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and follow for more tips on working from home. Bye!